The Pisgah National Forest and HikeMore Adventures is home of numerous beautiful waterfalls. If you are visiting Burke County and the Pisgah National Forest for the first time, HikeMore Adventures is an excellent resource for guided waterfall hikes and camping. We have strategically arranged the waterfalls in our tour to maximize viewing for our class. We offer half-day, full-day, and overnight tours highlighting the most prominent waterfalls in our area. Because of the abundance of waterfalls in the area, we can spend days viewing waterfalls and never hit the same trail. We can fully outfit your group with the gear needed for a successful waterfall expedition. Visit HikeMoreAdventures.com or give us a call at 828-595-HIKE.